What else?
Very pleased to see you.
Good job.
What the expression is about River State so far?
I think I'll just let you know why I have to talk to you guys. I want to thank you also for what you've been doing so far. You're all aware I just got in here and decided to meet with the head of service and the permanent secretaries and the service commanders. I'm going to have to meet with them to get the formal briefings from all those I met this afternoon. And then I believe it is only proper for me thereafter to have something to say to you all. And I assure you that perhaps later this evening I'll be in the right position to address you and then to address the issues that you may want to raise now.
Okay, General, what's your impression about the reception you received from the airport down here?
Port Harcourt is my city. Everything appears calm, though I know that the situation is there, but we just want Port Harcourt to get back to where it has always been.
Thank you very much, sir.
Vice Admiral, sole administrator of River State. The head of service, River State, Dr. George. Commander Brigadier General S. Ahmed. Commandant Kajetan Anyaku. Commander 115 Special Police, River State Police Command, C. Boli. The Director of State Security, Ekunu Yusuf, FSC here present. All heads of paramilitary organizations. The sole administrator of River State, His Excellency Ibok-Ete Ibas, CFR, retired. To the sole administrator, as he officially assumes office, River State,